What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Camille Austin, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're back, thanks for joining me. So obviously today we're going to do like a very nice, simple, warm fall look. I wanted to just kind of make a nice little smoky eye for you guys, for the everyday woman who does not have time for a cut crease, but she will still have to get up a little early to get this look done. I won't lie to you. So today we're going to be using the JACLYN Hill OG palette, and we're going to be using the Ring the Alarm palette. Ooh, there we go. There we go. So we're going to be doing like a warm, smoky, orangey, brown eye. I mean, you saw the thumbnail, so if you wanted to watch, awesome. Thank you so much. And we're basically going to make this only an eye tutorial for now, just because I'm still starting out and I don't have a lot of ideas on what you guys want to see yet. If you want to see me do a full face, by all means request it below. But until then, I'm just going to do some eye stuff, and then when my box lights come in, that's when I'm probably going to feel more comfortable doing things that aren't going to be as tight, because when I'm far away like this, you guys really aren't getting the full brightness of it all, and it's just not, the quality isn't as what I want it to be. So when I get you guys closer, you can see everything and it's a lot clearer. So that's what we're going to stick to until my box lights come in, until further notice if you guys request anything else other than eye looks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial.
Okay guys, sorry that my audio is a little weird, but you know, we're working through the kinks. So we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to base my lid, and that's basically what I use as an eyeshadow primer. And the first color we're going to go into is Alert from the Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm using a cosmetics blending brush, just going into the upper half of that crease and working it up into the brow bone a little bit. And we're going to take another It Cosmetics blending brush, and we're going to go on top of that Alert color just because it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, and we're going to use the color Hunts from the OG JACLYN Hill palette, and it adds like a nice little gradient. It's going to go kind of on top of and below the color Alert. And then with my Mikasa E250 brush, and by the way, I do have a code for that, but it'll be down below, we're going to pack on the color Jax, and that's also from the OG palette. And we're just going to pack that onto the base of the lid, and we're going to work it up into that color Hunts, so they have a nice little gradient from the orange into that burgundy red. And I'm going to take the same brush and go into the color Framed from the Ring the Alarm palette, and that's going to go right on top just because I wanted a little bit more depth on my lid. And at max we use maybe 4 colors, and just keep packing it on until you're kind of happy with it, and blend it into that color Hunts and Jax, and just working it up and packing it on. And so then once you get a little bit more happy with the gradient, I was kind of feeling that a little bit, I'm going to take the Morphe M506. It's a small tapered blending brush. It's actually one of my favorite brushes, and this is also what I used to blend in the colors Hunts, and I mixed it a little bit with the color Jax, and they're basically going right into that crease to blend it and make it a nice gradient. And you can see there the blend between the purple and the red just definitely kicked into high gear. So now we're going to add lashes. Okay, so we've got the lashes on and the whole face is on, but I wanted to give you up close and look on what the final product is. We have the color Alert on the lowest part of my lash line, and then I put the color Framed closer to my lashes, and then on the inner line I put the color Boom.
And that wraps up this video, guys. So if you have any questions, please let me know. While we're here, if you can please subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. We would love for you to join the fam bam over here. I have all my social media links down below if you just want to hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the little bell button too so you know about every time I post. I will be posting every Monday. I'm going to try to figure out the other day of the week because, you know, mama's got a full-time job. So it gets a little difficult, but I'm definitely going to be doing a video once a week, Monday nights. Look for it then. Okay? All right. Well, until next time, I see you guys later. Bye. Tutorial. I'm stupid. I don't even. I mean, like, I don't even know why people watch me sometimes.